36-year-old dyslexic with ADHD. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So, alright, let's kind of talk about this. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one video at a time. And the micro video idea, I'm not smart enough to come up with that. Actually came up with that from the audience. So, if you're new here, this is all we do, one video at a time. Thanks for joining us. So, let's talk about me. So, you're probably found this channel because you're like, I really want to learn to program. Can I learn to program? I promise you, if I can learn to program, I started programming in Python at 36 years old. I'm a dyslexic with ADHD. And I promise if I can do this, you can do it. You can follow the channel along. You can start at the beginning. There's 1,100 videos. We have a Discord. Go ahead and join the Discord down below. Unbelievable amount of support over there. We've been doing live streams during the week. So if you have time during the day, try to check some of those out. We just spend time problem solving. We're always focused on the details. We're always focused on the building blocks and the basics of Python. And I promise, this is a place that you can come and you're able to ask questions. You won't be judged. We support beginners. We encourage beginners to join here. So please, 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 if this is something you even kind of think you maybe want to do, join this channel, hang out with this community, and we'll give you the support and answer the questions that you need to get you on your journey to change everything about yourself, your life, and the path that you're on. So please make sure you're hitting that like button, subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these videos. Make sure you're joining Discord to get the support that you need and deserve. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.